Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most useful tools in Smartsheet, calculating percentages with formulas and how to format those results to clearly display as percentages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently track progress, like task completion rates, and present your data in a professional, easy-to-read way. So if you're ready to make your Smartsheet look and function like a dashboard the whole team can understand at a glance, stick around. Alright, let's dive right in. In Smartsheet, working with percentages basically comes down to two key steps. First, using formulas to do the math, and second, formatting your results so they show up as clean percentages that are easy for anyone to interpret. Let's start with the formula itself. Imagine you have a project with a list of tasks. Maybe you want to show how much of the project has been completed so far. The standard way to do this is to divide the number of completed tasks by the total number of tasks. So, for example, if you finished 15 out of 20 tasks, you take 15 divided by 20. When you enter that formula into Smartsheet, something like equals completed task/total tasks, the result you'll get is a decimal. It might look like 0.75, which mathematically means 75% complete. The decimal format is great for calculations behind the scenes, but it's not always the clearest way to present information to your team or stakeholders. People don't instantly picture what 0.75 represents, right? That's where percentage formatting comes in. Once your formula gives you a decimal result, select the cell and go up to the toolbar. There's a percentage symbol, just click that and Smartsheet instantly converts your 0.75 into 75%. Now anyone looking at your sheet can instantly see that you're 75% finished. It's cleaner, it's more intuitive, and it sends the message right away. Now, quick clarification. Some folks wonder if you need to multiply your result by 100 first. In Smartsheet, you don't usually need to do that, unless you want your percentage to show up as a raw number rather than with the percent sign. For most reporting and dashboards, it's much better to let Smartsheet handle the formatting, so you avoid confusion and keep things professional. So just use the formula to get your decimal, and then format super straightforward. Let's talk about where this approach shines. When you format your sheet to show percentages, you unlock some great visual reporting options. In dashboards, for example, you can feed these percentage values right into progress bars, charts, or summary fields. That way, your teams and leadership can check the status at a glance. Think of it like turning a list of numbers into a visual progress report, so much easier to digest and far more impactful in meetings or status updates. The bottom line here is always use formulas to do the actual math. That keeps your data dynamic and error-free, so as you update numbers in your sheet, the percentage updates automatically. Then use Smartsheet's percentage formatting to present the results clearly. With this combo, your sheets won't just track numbers, they'll actually tell a story of progress and achievement. That's all there is to it. If you followed along, you should now be able to calculate and format percentages in Smartsheet with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and feel free to ask any questions down in the comments. I always try to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.